Yo, what's going on YouTube? My name is VivaJ14 and today I'm going to show you guys my HVAC helper installer tool backpack for you guys. And less talking, let's get into the bag. For the first thing that I'm going to tell you guys right now, I am not sponsored by Husky. I bought this bag from Home Depot with my own money, and so far I like this bag. This bag has been with me for the last 6 months and I had no problems with it. It's a good bag. It's been it's already dirty, which is not good, but it's still holding. It's still holding up. It's a good bag. Very tough, heavy too, but it's a good bag. All right, let's start with the outside pockets first. All right. For out here, I just keep a regular Klein meter. That's all I have out here. And yeah, just a regular Klein meter. That's all I got. For this little pocket right here, I keep 2 nut drivers. They're changeable. So it's like the Malco bit, but these ones you get 2 in a pack and it's cheap. I think this is better than the Malco bit, but you never know until you test it. And for this side of the bag, right here, I just keep a little Milwaukee tool box, whatever this thing is. And right here, I just keep some bits, like metal bits, to order to cut through metal. And yeah, a little extension bit, concrete bit, and yeah, that's it for the outside of the bag. And now we move on to the medium size bag. Right here in the medium size bag, I don't keep a lot in here, so yeah. What should I show you guys first? I keep 2 nut drivers, 5/16 and 1/4. These are the main ones that you gotta use, so yeah. These are not magnetized. I'm gonna get new ones, but yeah. 5/16 and 1/4 nut drivers. I keep a 3/8 nut driver as well. You never know when you need it, so I just keep it on me. I keep just a regular 11-in-1. It's been beaten up because I used it as a hammer, so it's still handling. It's okay. And it has a little Schrader core removal tool, so yeah, it's alright. And for over here, I keep a little whittle maker. You never know when you still have electrical still working in there. So yeah, I just keep it to save myself. This thing saved me so many times with electricity. Oh my God, I almost shocked myself one time. But yeah, must have tool. Right down here, I keep two service wrenches. Why, you may ask? Because this one broke on me, so I bought another one just in case if this one breaks even more, so I have a backup. And yeah, 2 service wrenches. You need it for opening those service valves. I keep one 6-inch Milwaukee extension bit. It helped me a couple of times, not too many times. I am trying to get that 12-inch extension bit. I need to find space in this bag. If not, I gotta switch bags one day. But yeah, 6-inch extension bit. Right down here, I keep a little thermostat screwdriver with a service core removal tool, and this one could switch to a Phillips and a flathead. The flathead is in here, so yeah, it's an okay tool. I never use it a lot, but it's okay. So yeah, that's it for this bag, if I'm right. Yeah, that's everything in that little bag. So on to the main one. Yeah, these are my hand tools, so I keep it at a minimum. I don't have too many in this bag, but I have just enough in this bag to get the job done, in my opinion. So let me show you guys what I got in this bag. So I keep a set of gloves. You never know when you're gonna get cut. So I keep a squeegee for like ductwork and stuff on attics. And I keep two different type of pipe cutters, a big size and a small size. So whenever you're in a tight space, you use a small one. If you need a bigger size to cut the copper line, you go for the big one. So yeah, I keep two different sizes. I keep some zip ties. I need more now. I keep running out. And I keep an Allen key in here. This is the main one that I use. I don't use other Allen keys. And I think I'm done right here. Yeah, that's it. Alright, for the hand tools, I don't know where I should start, but I'm gonna start over here. I keep a mirror from Husky. This one lights up, so if I could get the light working on this thing, so yeah, this one lights up if you need to see the copper if you welded it right. So this is good for you. I keep a red marker. I keep a torpedo level. I have a DeWalt 90 bit. I keep a wire stripper, but it has those crimpers that I need sometimes. And it's insulated, so it's good to have. Insulated, there you go. I keep a needle nose with a cutter. Yeah, I don't use it that much because I have this. I keep a Milwaukee wire stripper 6-in-1. This thing is a good needle nose, reamer, cutters, a stripper, and usually I keep forgetting where these are used for, but yeah, it's a good multi-tool. I love this tool. All right, next I keep a small little wrench for TXVs. And what else I got? I keep this. I don't know the exact name of it, but I use it to get the fuses out of the fuse box. So I've been using it for a while, so yeah. I keep one ply wrench, Knipex. These are good pliers. I'm not joking. These things grab onto anything. They won't let go. But these things are so good. All right, next, I keep a set of Allen wrenches. And right here, down here, I keep forgetting the name of it, but it's a UEI. This thing tests the temperature on the ductwork and stuff. But it's out of battery. I can't turn it on. It died on me one time when I was using it. But yeah, this tests out the temperature if the install came out good. I keep a little organizer. For self-tappers, Tapcons, wire nuts, and usually fuses in this one. So yeah, it's a good organizer. I have a big crescent wrench. I am gonna switch this crescent wrench for a Knipex. for Knipex crescent wrench. So I don't know when, but when I get that video out, I'll let you guys know. But I keep a 1 10-inch crescent wrench. For major installs, you gotta have a beater. You gotta have a beater screwdriver. So this thing seen a lot of stuff. It's been through a lot. God. But this thing is holding up. I got it for a good price in Lowe's too. I keep a duck knife. Don't want to show it too much on YouTube, but yeah. I keep a sheet metal cutter. Right down here I keep a 25-foot measuring tape. Right down here is just trash. Just trash, and yeah. But look how big the space is. And once you take out everything, it's super light, this bag. This bag is super light. But yeah, that's all my hand tools for an installer helper. I do use a lot. I use a lot of hand tools as a helper. And I do have drills. They're Makitas, but I don't want to show them. Because there's more tools in that bag. If you guys want to see the Makita tool bag that I use, well, just leave it in the comments and I'll get to it. And maybe show it to you guys in a future video. And yeah, these are all the hand tools that you need as a helper installer. These are all the tools. I need to get that thing out of here. These are all the tools for a helper installer. This is my way. I keep it at a minimum because I don't want a heavy bag. But these are all the tools are necessary. These are all the tools that you need. And yeah, if you guys found this interesting or helpful, leave a like. And if you like the content, well, just subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all maybe in an install video. Who knows? I'll see y'all in the next video. Adios.